Guten Tag, my dear friends. This is the first video in the series Guide to Setting Up an Automatic Car Wash Business. In this part, we shall be discussing about the ways to select an area where you can set up your car wash center. So I would presume that the reason why you're watching this video is probably you know or believe how profitable the car wash business is. You might be aware that the number of cars on the road is constantly increasing. Also, in most parts of the world, especially cities, the government is banning washing of cars at home due to water scarcity. What that means is the cars can only be washed at professional car wash centers which recycle the water they use. Now, all these things open up a big opportunity for the car wash businesses. In spite of all the positives, for your car wash business to succeed, you need to systematically follow a few steps which might be called as the tricks of the trade. Also, you need to be dedicated for at least a few months before and after starting your car wash business. The first and one of the most important factors is selection of the land where you plan to start your car wash business. You might have the best strategies in place, the best car wash equipment, but if your car wash is not at the right location, you simply won't have the customers to appreciate what you have done. For this reason, selection of land is one of the most important steps of the setting up of car wash business. Most car wash businesses, which were not as successful, location was one of the major reasons. So spend as much time as possible to research and find the right piece of land for your dream project. So now, a question you might have in your mind is how to select the right land. What factors do I consider for land selection? The best way to find out the right land is to identify the areas with maximum car population. You need to be close to your customers, right? I'm sure you might have already identified 5 to 6 such areas in your city or town. If not, please do. As one of the preliminary steps, what I suggest is drive through these 5 to 6 localities. Get a feel of these locations. Keep the car wash business plan in the back of your mind. Even though you might be driving through some of these areas daily, I would still suggest to do this for each of your localities and preferably on the same day. I would also suggest to do this twice, once on a weekend and the second time on a weekday. This would give you a clear picture of the traffic in that area. Once you have completed this, you would have a basic idea about the locations. It is perfectly okay that some of the locations which you first thought do not get included in your revised location list. Also, it's quite possible that some new locations have got added. That's fine. Once you have done this, the next step is to find existing competition. Look for existing car wash centers. Doesn't matter if they are manual or automatic. You should, by some means, try to find out the number of cars they are doing every day, how much they are charging. Go and have a word with the operator as a customer without disclosing your plans. If possible, you should try to talk to one of their customers. Get a feel of that area, their customers. Once you do this for almost 5 to 6 localities, you would have substantial data to make your decisions. By now, you should be able to rate your locations from 1 to 5. We have a free survey sheet for land selection on our website www.kkewash.com. You can log in and download it from our website. The download link is given in the description of this video. With this, we come to an end of this video. We'll look into the factors for the selection of land in the next video, which is the part 2 of Car Wash Setting Up Guide. Till then, have a nice day. Bye-bye.